Okay, friends, here we are at Buc-ee's, getting ready to head out on our next adventure. Chugga, chugga, chug. 1 mile at a time. There's Captain Mike back there. A little further down the road, Captain Mike got in front of us this time. Just made a fuel stop. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. We are just passing through Waco, Texas, on our way to Moab, Utah. We're going to be driving the, what's it called? Rim Rocker.
Yeah. We'll be going through Colorado, picking up a rim rocker trail to work our way on 160-mile off-road trails to Moab.
Yeah, we've been working on this trip for about a year, and we are so excited. Can't wait to get there.
Yep, finally got through Waco. Nothing but open road ahead for a while.
Turn right onto US 81 North towards Decatur now.
Alright, well, we're back on the road again. We just stopped and had some lunch in Wichita Falls at Cracker Barrel, and we're back on the road, heading north. Not sure we'll get out of Texas yet or not tonight. We're getting her done.
Hey, sweetheart, what do you think the HOA would say if we put one of these in our backyard?
I don't know. They don't give us any trouble with our solar panels, so I bet that costs more than my solar panels did.
I bet you're right.
Alright, here we are in Childress, Texas. Yep, we are still in Texas. More to come. Stay in touch. 50 miles from Amarillo.
We started today at 8 a.m. It's now 6, and we're still in Texas. Imagine that.
Alright, we just left Dalhart, Texas, gassing up. Our last fuel stop probably before we hit New Mexico. So we'll see where we end up for the night. Look at that sunset up there behind that cloud. That's pretty cool.
Texas sunset.
Alright, well, we stopped for the night. We are in Clayton, New Mexico. So pretty good sized truck stop. There's our rig set up over here. We're just parked here for the night. We'll crawl in there, get some rest, and be back on the road for another long day tomorrow to get to the Rim Rocker Trail. So this is our hotel for the night. End of day one. See you in the morning. Well, good morning, friends. We're up, got something to eat, all fueled up, back on the road, leaving Clayton, New Mexico, headed up for the rest of our adventure, up through the Rim Rocker Trail. We should be on the trail today, I hope. So ride along and we'll keep you updated. a stop in Westcliff, Colorado. Pick up some lunch, potty break. I just wanted y'all to see the view of these mountains up here behind us. Eventually we're going to be up in those things. Alrighty, back on the road. We're waiting on cars to get through one way, so they let us go. If you looked up there way off in the distance, you'll see that super long line of cars coming at us. It might be another 30-minute wait. My goodness, we just had to wait and see what happens. The hazards of Colorado when they're trying to repair roads. Alright, so we're leaving Montrose, Colorado. We just got our last fill up, which will be our last chance for gas until we get to Nuclear, which is a little less than midway through the Rimrocker Trail. So, yeah, we're getting closer.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Colorado 90.
Yes, ma'am. We should be on dirt in no time at all.
And Harold is airing down the trailer a little bit. Harold, what'd you say you were going to air it down to?
20.
Okay.
Just gives it a smoother ride on this bumpy ass road. Alright friends, we finally made it to our first stop for the Rimrocker Trail and our last stop for day 2. We're camping at the Iron Springs campground. So there's our site right there. I got a campfire started right there. It's starting up. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.